We are going to offer it to the God. Please stand up. Please stand up. Please worship the Lord in the Agni form. Shiva and Parvati is there in Agni now. Please pray. So now he is going to do some mantra. You need to. So now we are going to transfer this Agni Rupa of Lord Shiva and Parvati to the Jala Rupa of these two Kumbha represent Lord Shiva and Goddess Parvati. We already invoked them in Agni. Now we are going to transfer this Agni Rupa to the Jala Rupa. So after this we will complete this ritual.
यानी गानी जबानी जन्मान दरगानी जान तानी दानी विनस्संदी प्रदक्षिणपदे पदे अलिगलासनाधाय प्रहर कमलदत्ते प्रदक्षिणंगरामित्ता प्रधीर परमेश्वरे अन्यदानरन्नाते त्वमेव शरणं मम तस्मात्कारुण्यभावेन आयुः आरोग्यम् ऐश्वर्यं पुत्रपौत्राणपशोन्धनं शत्रुक्षयं महादेवी यच्चमे सर्वसम्पदः
Repeat the mantra. So please do the namaskaram. For men, you need to do the full namaskaram with a full feet and full chest to the ground with the head on your ground. And for females, you should do half namaskaram. You should not touch your chest on your ground. So please do the namaskaram for the Lord. Pray for the God. Let all the goodness happen to your life. For people who is not married, you will get married. For people who is not married, you will have a good relationship with your family.
Om Yogini Yogini Yogeshwari Yoga Bhayangari Sakala Stavara Jankamasya Mukhagridayam Mama Vachamnaya Swaha Anena Pradakshina Namaskaram Samarpayami Satyasantu Yajamanasya सर्वमंगल मांगल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थ साधके
So
Avaganam na janami visarjanam.
So pray. So now the Jalarupa of Shiva and Parvati is going to be sprayed in the temple hall, and we are going to spray this Jalarupa to the temple hall, and this Jalarupa also we will send it to sponsors who are in India. Yeah, for people who just want to take a look at this Jalarupa of Lord Shiva and Goddess Parvati, this will be sprayed in the temple hall, and we will also send this prasadam along with holy ash and other prasadams to the sponsors who is in India. For abroad sponsors, we will send only we can't able to send the jala, so we will send other things. Yo Vedam Brahmano Vedam. This is the prasadam Brahmana. It's the prasadam offered to God. This is red cloth used by Goddess Parvati. This is white cloth used by Lord Shiva. And this is the flowers which has been used by Parvati. This is used by Parvati, and this is used by Lord Shiva. And these are all offered as a prasadam to God. So please take your blessings. And I'm taking this in behalf of everyone. And this is Raksha. This is Raksha. This is from Homa Gunda. This is very auspicious because they are already in Agni, so this is very auspicious. So this homam is completed. So please, from next week we are planning to do the Dasavadara homams, starting from Makshi Avadara to the Kalki Avadara. We have 10 days. We are planning to schedule those 10 days. So that is very auspicious because each Avadara represents a planet, and each Avadara is taken place for us to take care of dharma and auspiciousness to maintain the world. And we are going to schedule this out to everyone. So whoever wants to participate and sponsor, please do that. You will get all the blessings in your life. And today, please do the mantra japa of Swayamvara Parvati, Yogini, Yogini, Yogeshwari, Yoga Bhayangari, for whatever number you wish. This will give all the auspiciousness of this ritual. And if possible, don't eat anything today. Only take milk and nuts. If you want, you can eat in the evening. You do some prasadam for Lord, and let this day be a very auspicious day for you. We wish in next 6 months, people who is not get married will get married soon, and people who is divorced or a broken relationship, they will get well soon. They will be enjoying the life, and people who is already married will have a long-lasting, fruitful relationship. And thank you very much for gracing this opportunity for us to do this ritual for you. Thank you very much. Thank you.